For learning the expression of avoir, we first need to know the conjugation of verb avoir. So here I'm presenting the conjugation of avoir, that is j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a. Now, what is this on here? This might be new for you. This on is equivalent of, you can say, nous, but it is conjugated as il. So it literally translates to one or we. So one has or we have. Okay. So for informal conversation in France, we use on a. Okay. And then on the plural side, we have nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Okay, so now after learning the conjugation of avoir, we come to our expressions of avoir. And the first expression here is, we use avoir to tell the age in French. Okay, in French, for telling the age, we use the verb avoir. Okay, so here we have the examples. J'ai 20 ans. That means I am 20 years old. Mon ami a 23 ans. This means my friend is 23 years old. The next expression here is avoir faim. Avoir faim means to be hungry. So the sentence example here is j'ai faim. Je mange une pomme. It means I am hungry, I eat an apple. Then the next expression is avoir soif. Avoir soif means to be thirsty, to have thirst, to be thirsty. So the example we can have here is nous avons soif, nous buvons de l'eau. We are thirsty, we drink some water. One more expression again we have here is avoir froid. That means to feel cold. John a froid, il porte un manteau. John is feeling cold, he wears an overcoat. Another expression is avoir chaud. This means to feel hot. Chaud is hot. So this means to feel hot. Il a chaud, il mange de la glace. That means he is feeling hot and he eats some ice cream. For this de la, this is the article partitive here. So you can refer to the lesson related to partitive articles to learn article partitive. Okay, we have another expression here is avoir raison. That means to be right. Example here we have taken here is les professeurs ont toujours raison. That means the professors are always right. So avoir raison means basically to have reason or to be right. Okay, the opposite of avoir raison is avoir tort. That means to be wrong. The example here is les enfants ont parfois tort. That means the children are sometimes wrong. The next expression is avoir sommeil. That means to be sleepy. Okay, and I've made a sentence here to explain it, and that is elle a sommeil, elle va dormir. That means she is sleepy, she is going to sleep. So avoir sommeil is to be sleepy. Okay, another expression of avoir, and that is avoir peur. Avoir peur means to be afraid or to be scared. Example here is vous avez peur des serpents. That means you are scared, you have fear of the serpents, or literally, are you afraid of snakes? This is a question here. Okay, and this has been made into question. You can refer to the interrogation lesson related to how to ask questions in French. Okay, and then we come to our next expression, avoir besoin de. Avoir besoin de. This means to have need of. Okay, so how do we make a sentence with this? Je n'ai pas d'argent, j'ai besoin de l'argent. That means I do not have money, I need some money. Okay, the last expression we are doing today is avoir de la chance. That means to be lucky. Okay, and how we can frame a sentence with this? J'ai beaucoup d'amis, j'ai de la chance. That means I have a lot of friends, I am lucky. Okay, so here we come to the end of our lesson.